The Palestinian Presidency on Sunday said that Israel's decision to resume land registration in the West Bank constitutes a de facto annexation aimed at strengthening the occupation through the expansion of illegal settlements. In a statement, the presidency said the move violates international law, poses a threat to security and stability, and marks a dangerous escalation. The decision contradicts UN Security Council resolutions, including Resolution 2334, which states that all settlements in the occupied Palestinian territory, including East Jerusalem, are illegal. Palestinian leaders called on the international community to intervene to halt the move and uphold international law. Meanwhile, Hamas described the decision as legally null and void, and an attempt to impose a Jewish settlement reality by force. The group vowed to oppose all efforts to impose annexation, displacement, or settlement projects, and urged the international community to protect Palestinian rights to land, self-determination, and state sovereignty with Jerusalem as its capital.
في خيامها الذي ضحى بكل ما تملك في سبيل أن تصل إلى هذه الخيام، حتى هم في الخيام لا يملكون الأمن والأمان. مصدق في مجلس السلام، مصدق إنه ترامب يعني هو بده يجي يساعدنا.
On Sunday, Israel approved a plan to register West Bank land as state land, a move that could strengthen Israel's claim and facilitate settlement expansion. The plan, proposed by Finance Minister Bezalel Smotrich, Justice Minister Yariv Levin, and Defense Minister Israel Katz, was approved by the cabinet, according to a joint statement. For the first time since the 1967 Middle East War, which brought the West Bank, East Jerusalem, and Gaza under Israeli control, the cabinet authorized a land registration process in the West Bank. The Land Registry and Settlement of Rights Office, a government authority under the Ministry of Justice, will carry out the process with dedicated staff and budget. The minister said the move will allow for transparent and comprehensive clarification of property rights. Most of the West Bank has never undergone systematic registration, with ownership claims relying on Ottoman, British mandate, or Jordanian records. This decision marks the latest step in a series of measures by Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's right-wing government aimed at expanding settlements. Palestinian officials have warned that formalizing Israel's state land claims in Area C could further undermine the prospect of a negotiated two-state solution. The West Bank is regarded by most of the international community as occupied territory. Palestinians see it as the core of a future independent state. Israel maintains control over more than 60% of the West Bank, defined as Area C, outside the Palestinian enclave known as Area A and B, according to the UN Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs in the occupied Palestinian territory.